Chatham Comfort Controls, Heating and Air Conditioning. What you're looking at is a Dunkirk PSB 9D 299,000 BTU steam boiler, completely installed. New Hartford loop, new 2.5-inch hitter, going into the original 3.5-inch cast. This boiler was custom piped to meet all state, local, and federal code. You can give us a call at 773-842-4299 or South Suburbs 708-674-6313. Once again, Chatham Comfort Controls, Heating and Air Conditioning. You can find us online at www.ccc-hvac, A+ rated with the BBB, multiple years of complaint-free awards, authorized American Standard contractor.